What's up, guys? I want to welcome you to my first YouTube channel, my first YouTube video, Sid Naturally Inspires. And through this channel, we are basically promoting natural hair. I love natural hair. I love the freedom of it. I love what you can do with it. Just a little backstory of myself. I have been natural for about 7 to 8 years now, give or take. Anybody that knows me knows that I love to change my hair. I change my hair like the weather. And I just love being versatile, but you know, to each his own. I just took out the Goddess Faux Locs by Crotchet. They're about $7.99 a pack. I have them in for about a month. I got caught in the rain last weekend, so they just started kind of frizzing up and, you know, kind of like smelling a little funky. So, yeah, we don't want that. So, I actually still have the packaging. It comes in like a bluish purple packaging with the yellow label. And I just have some pieces that I'll probably replace, but I'm actually recycling my hair. They held up very well, so I'm like, hey, why not? You know, anybody that's on a budget, anybody that just doesn't feel like changing their hair, I recommend recycling all day, every day. So I actually have the pieces right here. This is a T27, an 18-inch. And it's more of a golder tone, but I have the T30. This is a 14-inch, and I just kind of mix them together. And again, I like being different, so I have like all my little bundles of hair right here. Don't judge me, you know. But so I actually took my hair out last night, and I washed it and conditioned it, and I had someone braid it down. So this is actually how it looks. And yeah, you know, just kind of looking like Cleo from Set It Off, you know, with the big forehead all out or whatever. But yeah, so, you know, you can just do the braids straight back. I actually, if you can kind of see it back there, just so you can get a better idea of how it needs to look. But, you know, very simple. I'm actually going to show you how to crochet hair. Everyone thinks it's difficult, but it's actually very easy. It's actually more simple than it really looks. So I have my crochet needle here. It's about $1 or $1.99 at the beauty supply store. And I have some wild growth oil that I use on my hair. I don't use oil very often because it can clog your pores, but I've been using this for years now, and I've had very good results. I use it on my kids, and you know, I recommend it all day, every day. So I just want you guys to just kind of follow me through this journey, and you know, leave your comments. We will be talking about different products that work, that don't work, and just the do's and don'ts of natural hair. So I want you guys to just, again, follow me on this journey. Sid Naturally Inspires, and you guys stay tuned. I'll see you shortly. this is the finished product. The whole process takes about 2 hours with braiding your hair down, but since my hair was already braided down, it took me about maybe 45 minutes for the whole thing. So just so you can kind of see through the braids, I tried to leave like a corner, or not a corner, but like a finger space in between each lock, just so it's not too full. You want it to be full, but you don't want it to be like, you know, just like crazy big on your head. So yeah, so that's basically how it looks, and you can do different styles. Like I said before, I have a big forehead, so I like for them to kind of sit over my face. Just kind of minimizes the forehead, to me at least. You can wear it in a bun, just kind of like twisted at the top. I've seen that. If you don't like it in your face, you can kind of, you know, leave some down, and I like to do that sometimes when I'm cleaning up or cooking, so you know you won't get any hair in the food. You can actually, the way it was braided, you can put them up in a ponytail if you like it like that. If you're vacationing and you know you just kind of want to be cool, you can put them all up and you know just kind of have your Jamaican girl going on. So that's basically the crochet faux locks. And you know, if you guys have any questions, and a little fun fact, I am not a cosmetologist. I actually don't like doing hair very much, so that's why my hair will stay in probably about a month. So yeah, but again, I like to change my hair every well, some different hairstyles that come out. I like to try them. So I'm constantly in the beauty supply store. I'm constantly on YouTube. And I pay attention to just different, you know, trends that are out when it comes to hair. And I may put some little hair jewelry in it just to kind of give it a different look. Like I said, I had them in before. So, you know, just so it won't get old or boring to me. So that's pretty much it. This is me, Sid Naturally Inspires, and stay tuned for the next tutorial, the next hairstyle, and comment below if you have any questions, and you guys be blessed.